Why UFO gaming is about to increase 100 times in 2022. Hey, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head toward the video. Do you know that UFO gaming is going to increase by 100 times in 2022? Yeah. You might have already heard this, but is it really true? What hype does this UFO gaming project have that will let the price increase like never before? Believe it or not, UFO gaming is literally transforming the traditional gaming world and bringing them on the blockchain, meaning it really has much more to reveal under its bonnet. But wait for a second. Are the news and rumors by the insiders true or not? Where the UFO gaming is really about to increase 100 times? Or are these just rumors? You would be also thinking the same thing, that is to decide whether to invest in UFO gaming or not, right? Don't think too much because today we're going to reveal everything you need to know about UFO gaming and whether it will explode or not in 2022. And also, why does it have chances to increase its price dramatically? And then we will move to our main focus, why UFO gaming is about to increase 100 times in 2022. Get ready because this project is going to blow your mind. But wait. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss interesting videos about crypto news and updates. Let's get started with what is UFO gaming in the first place. UFO gaming is a blockchain project that is working to create a bridge between traditional games and blockchain, meaning UFO gaming is itself a blockchain where the classic games of the past can be revamped and updated to be launched on the blockchain. In this way, the traditional games that were earlier too old can be relaunched and integrated with blockchain. Eventually, those traditional games can be upgraded and can be connected with the whole blockchain world, opening a new door to limitless possibilities. Therefore, in simple words, UFO gaming is giving a push to the old versions of games to launch them on the blockchain. If this happens, all the games you have been playing in your childhood can now be played on the blockchain. And since blockchain will be running these games, all the features that you get in the futuristic games can be enjoyed in these traditional games. Features like play to earn, NFTs, owning land inside the game, and staking your tokens would be possible if the games collaborated with UFO gaming. And this is where the UFO token comes into play. UFO is the token that will be used on the UFO gaming platforms and in all the games running on it. This gives UFO the universal currency status to be used in all games, pushing its price many times. After knowing what UFO gaming is, let's find out why it is about to increase 100 times in 2022. One of the major reasons why we are hearing rumors about UFO gaming is that it is the first ever dark metaverse project. Mark Zuckerberg already hinted towards metaverse and even changed Facebook's name to Meta. This shows that the metaverse market is going to be more gigantic than we think really soon. Since UFO gaming is the first dark metaverse project, players are never going to miss this out. But why? Well, we are talking about the dark metaverse, which means that the players can do literally everything in the games. Everyone has been talking about this concept, but no project has let us experience it. But UFO gaming has already done it. Something which is being hailed loudly is the feature to own land and the whole planet by the players. In this way, they can expand the land and then sell it to earn more money. On the other hand, UFO gaming backs up the play-to-earn feature, which means players can earn simply by playing games. And since we are talking about blockchain, players can earn NFTs and in-game assets that can be sold out later on. All these features have been previously given by various blockchain projects, right? But the truth is, no project has allowed the traditional and classic games to be part of a blockchain and rise as play-to-earn games. If you could remember the video games you used to play in your childhood, they were ruling at that time. And imagine if those games are relaunched today on the blockchain. If this happens, the project supporting those games will literally increase its market cap and token price by 100 times and even more. This is the point where you need to focus on. Apart from this, UFO Gaming is a decentralized autonomous organization, which means that it is governed by the community. In simple words, if you hold UFO tokens, you have the right to vote on important decisions about the platform. In this way, you can be certain that the whole project is owned by the community, not by any authority. Your decision will be the decision of the project if you have the majority of votes. How cool would it be that you can vote to bring a traditional game on the blockchain and enjoy features like NFTs and owning land. The major reason why everyone has trust in UFO Gaming is due to its main purpose, to bring every traditional game on the blockchain. In simple words, UFO Gaming is planning to use the opportunity and just reintroduce the games to the market. Those games had already dominated their era. Thus, UFO Gaming would need to just spread the news about the game, and that's it. Every penny of profit the games would bring will come into UFO Gaming's account. And we are not talking about only a single game. Rather, tens of games would be launched really soon. There is news that 2022 is the year when UFO Gaming will be making ties with several games of the past. Various insiders have also reported that UFO Gaming is planning to work with several traditional games and give them the push on the blockchain. Only a single game is enough for UFO Gaming to increase its token price by 100 times, and even more in less than no time. What does it mean for you? There isn't much time when UFO Gaming will officially announce the launch of several games on its blockchain. When this happens, there won't be much time for you to buy UFO tokens, and the price will be already high. Thus, the best and most profitable strategy will be to buy as many UFO tokens as you can and hold them until they rise. You don't have to hold them for years, since 2022 is the very year when their price will increase by 100 times. If you buy UFO tokens worth $1,000 today, then within less than a year, they will be worth more than $100,000. Now, you know how much potential UFO Gaming has and what it can achieve in 2022. UFO Gaming has already launched its first metaverse game, Super Galactic. In this game, the players find themselves on a planet. The population on the planet is low, and the players have to build their homes there. Later on, the players can sell those homes in the form of NFTs and own larger land by playing the game. With the launch of Super Galactic, the UFO token experienced an increase in its price that showed that a single game can directly affect its token's price. This game was just a sample to know the potential in the UFO Gaming project. Much more is yet to be revealed, which will no doubt take the token price to the sky. In conclusion, UFO Gaming is working to bring traditional games on its blockchain. In this way, it can increase its market and also have a share in every profit that those games bring in. The major reason why its price can increase by 100 times is that UFO Gaming has built the first ever dark metaverse before anyone. Due to this, several gaming projects are likely to join UFO Gaming and get launched on the dark metaverse. What does it mean? Well, make your move. Buy UFO tokens and hold them before it's too late. Did you know that UFO Gaming is trying to be ready to boom really soon? The 100-time increase in price is not something ordinary. Rather, it's a serious business for the investors. Don't be shy to comment right below. Which month of 2022 do you think can be the month of 100-time increase for UFO Gaming? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it to have the daily dose of crypto news and opportunities from us. Until the next video, stay tuned.